Yeah, that's
So I'm just getting ready to go away for a couple of days. Let's see what we can fit in the fox bag. So I headed off from Tyab Airport, over Port Phillip Heads and tracked southwest to Apollo Bay. I met my friend there, which was awesome because it meant we had a car. It took her 4 hours by road to get there. My total flight time was 1 hour and 10 minutes. We set up camp on the airfield just 100 metres from the beach. The next day we headed to Beauchamp Falls, walked through the rainforest and visited the waterfalls. We then headed on to Parker Inlet, through the forest of Cape Otway to the beach. Some guy lent us his surfboards, so we paddled up the river looking for more waterfalls. My friend was convinced that we were going to be eaten by a river monster.
not crocodiles.
No, no.
Are you sure? He definitely said paddle up the river, didn't he?
Yeah.
Okay, don't die. Don't die. Okay, just alone. What, you want to try and get up on the rock?
Yes.
Come on then, hurry up.
Let's not go near that big stick.
Which one?
That one.
I don't pull it up. I'm getting nervous.
Oh, it's black, isn't it?
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, you're going to pull yourself up. That was terrible.
Oh, you need some help, sorry. Okay. I'm gonna go. Feeling more relaxed.
More relaxed, hey? We'll have to sort that out.
Yeah, that's it.
Laughing! This is like a big thing. I did touch something. It's just a fish.
It's just a fish.
Oh, let's stay away from the reeds. Snakes in the reeds. Oh, something really did touch me on the foot. I'll screw my legs up. Once we'd recovered from the river monster, we headed over to the 12 Apostles to watch the sunset.